Hi, I'm Tim Nelson, Business Development Manager for Aven Tools. I want to thank you for watching our how-to video on our new SharpVue inspection system. We want to start by making sure you have everything you need for setup in the box. So let's start there and make sure that everything is here so you can begin your setup. Included in the carton is the power supply, USB with software, remote control, HDMI, USB to micro USB, user's manual, and the actual inspection unit itself, which is included here. Now you'll have everything you need to begin the setup procedure. And setup couldn't be easier. First, plug the HDMI cord into the back of your HDMI monitor. Next, take the second end of the HDMI cord and plug it into the back of the SharpVue unit like this. Next, take the power supply, plug it into the back of the SharpVue. Then take that power supply unit and plug it into your power supply. You'll see the lighting will turn on and off. The switch, rocker switch at the back of the unit. Then power on the SharpVue, the top. And you will see that the SharpVue inspection logo will turn on the monitor when you power up the monitor. Now that you have the system set up, you're ready to start inspecting. All the features of this system are controlled by this remote control, so let's go over the features of it. First, the zoom features are controlled by both the Z plus and Z minus buttons. To zoom in, simply hit the Z plus and zoom in. Z minus to zoom out. The left and right arrows control on-screen brightness. The OK button controls a user-defined step zoom that allows you to zoom in and out at a predefined user zoom. The mode button turns off the autofocus feature. When autofocus is turned off, the left and right arrows will control the fine focus for you. The function button will flip the image on screen. Back to the mode button, if you hold it down, will take you into the user main menu, where you control functions like zoom OSD function, which will pull up your on-screen magnification. Line and curtain, which will allow you to put a line on screen. Adjust colors. The on-screen manual. Adjust your display settings, camera settings, such as auto white balance, camera resolution, etc. For the SharpVue, we have built a series of premium accessories centered around the autofocusing features of this inspection system. One example would be the tiltable table that you'll see here. This table, you can set your inspection piece right on top of it, tilt around, and use the autofocusing features of the SharpVue without having to manipulate the camera head at all and get a high definition image from virtually any angle. Another premium accessory for the SharpVue system is the XY gliding stage. This stage attaches directly to the SharpVue system by sliding into a slot at the back of the SharpVue stage, just like this. There are three mechanical positions for the XY gliding stage. The first, when this lever is moved mechanically to the left, it's in the lock position. The object will not move when this is locked in place. When you move it to the middle position, the object will move on an X-plane just like this, and the object will stay in an autofocus as it moves across the camera, as you can see on the monitor here. When the stage is opened up to the right, the stage will open up and move virtually in any direction. while staying in perpetual autofocus. The matting on the XY stage is ESD safe, just like on our tiltable table.